You know, I've addressed the collective before about these dangerous type of men and women, but let me tell you something else. Beware of anybody you meet for coming for us, or you might already know them and then they show you their real face or whatever. Anybody with a high level of ego, low level of intellect, low level of morals, and they're spiritually repugnant, they so stupid, they gonna find out and get you. They gonna get them. If they fuck with other people's kids, they gonna get their own children. And here's the crazy part. This person they're so stupid, but they know that. Like there's bells going off. Like alerts. Their whole body is like, ah! And they're still like, no, we can do this. We can do it. No, you can't do it. You couldn't do it by yourself. You couldn't do it with a group of and the people that fuck with you still have to be stupid to be fucking with you.